your girl.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Anyway. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe button below and leave a big thumbs up. If you're returning subscriber, then welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is July the 29th, 2025, and I'm going to NMDS. I'm gonna take you guys along. So without any further ado, let us get straight into the video. Alright, so right now I'm about to bath. So I'll see you guys when I'm leaving or when I'm there. I'm going to first at the banks. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Guys, so now I just dropped off my little brother at my grandmother's place. So yeah. Right now. I just got to town and right now I'm headed to the bank because I'm gonna cafe town. And I'm heading. Just say it's not that bad, but it's a gay one. Yeah. So and that is what's up. Guys, so I left my original results at home and I hope that the police they're gonna have mercy on me because I have my ID with me and I have a second copy of my results. So yeah, fingers crossed. Is it a nice thing? But last lap? No, of course not. Late karma. Evidence. Exposed. Pila wanteka ukotisa lekutisa nami. Ah, tadinga wala stress ahle. Hi Makwala. Stop gossiping.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. And that's a
Phobia camera. Phobia camera.
Ah, shit. Photophobia. Ke photophobia. Ah, I thought I get regulate. So digital. Se photano sa bila tsama. Ana malomaka kenal. Jo ibile ba go betsa. Hi guys. Right now we are headed to the mall. I'm with Habs. Look at the satellite this one. Yeah. There she is. Come on, when I saw her, I fell out the tinny sashes. Come on, when I saw her, sashes. Here she is. Oh, I can. Yeah. Hi. What's like it's a night like Hi. I'm vlogging.
Guys,
Subscribe.
please subscribe, like, and share.
No. Madrian de demotion. Les avez les verra. Hi, class rep. No. Let's relax the demotion.
Hello.
In this video,
I didn't tell you.
This is not potassium permanent.
This is not abracadabra.
Guys, I'm trying to vlog. Y'all should watch this vlog. Huh? Ireg. Hey, you know the guys. I'm like station. Oh, Lynn. Between A1 and D1, I get to the back. I can't get one. Ah, ke batle ntshwana ke tlo nka se monana sa full boy. Le ba se tlo chocolate. Assistant ke tlo bontsha. Ke mana tsa 250. Ke sebetsa overtime ise. Ke sa patalo. Ke tlo bontsha na se film.
Na se ke batla apartment ya.
Ah!
Mosene we. Mosene tsa ka tsela. Mosene se ke tsa ngwa tsa ka tsela. Di apartment di ho ka ba se mo. Ha ka di apartment ko ba le.
Jose, se ke le dimutsi tjena ke ithola.
I can't do this. I would be like I get chilly.
Two thousand years later.
How do you feel? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanya. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment below and leave a big thumbs up. If you're returning subscriber, then welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the 2nd of August 2025. It is currently 12 minutes after 7 o'clock. So today I've come here at St. Felix for 1000 Hail Marys, and I really thought I was late, you guys. We need to go like I said, but right now, like I said, it's 12 minutes after 7, and like, give my nose now to my name, give my name, I feel like I crack, and I was like, you know what, let me go let me go update the people. And yeah, so right now, give an hour 25 feet, so I think we'll go like 7:30, because the other post said 7 o'clock, while the other one said 7:30. So I was like, you know what, I have to be on the safe side. So yeah, we just got like a miss, and then come on like 42. So I'm looking forward to all of that. And yeah, man, I cannot wait for everything to start. And I really wanted to attend all these things, because I'm not able to do most things. Like, I remember this other time this year, I had to attend one Mariam Majlis, and then I had to go for the complete as well, you know. And then really busy for like a school, you cannot like sacrifice an entire day. Honestly, we wanna pray, but like, you know how school can get. Yeah, so yeah guys, that is it from me for now. So I will see you guys later. Bye.
time for us to, because detach that program, detach is necessary. Because now you attract the right people to where you're going. Again. So if it's time to detach, you really travel. But if what I want to know is that hands are there, how do you like the more from what I say?
Look at this, China ya oversharing is a mayali, go hasten trade emo to Ali Yona, can have one because I think I have the same problem. Yeah, can I live to Manaway? Get a little more to Hakuba and a hash or Lena. Eh, go. Lena, go, I don't have that thing out.
You are like, maybe perhaps it's a sign to wait. A sign, it's a sign. Like my sign. If one of them take a sign, we are stuck where we are because of the sign. The only person who can know the relationship we have can be to wait. How long is it away? Most of the sign. It's time to do it. It's time not to do it. So, how would talk about outside of you? That's how much we betray ourselves. You're not going to be some betrayal. That's how much you betray yourself. I'm sorry, man.
Oversharing is was kind of like very close to sweet there. Leave them overnight. That's what you're doing when you overshare. Everyone sticks to you. That information was over far. You tell them I'm bitter, I'm sweet. It comes from your mouth. And once you are a close sweet, you only share to someone who values you, who bought.
I am broadly destroyed when I was born to be. My past does not define my future. My past does not define my future. I give myself permission to rest every touch. I give myself